So we're out here in the Glasshouse Mountains. Came out here midweek. It's a Thursday. Finished up uni about midday. Packed the car, drove out here, put it in the maps. There was a bit of traffic on the way here, a few emergency vehicles, there was ambulances, there was cops and stuff, so that was a little bit annoying. So it took a little bit longer to get here than I thought it might, but that's okay because I reckon there's still plenty of daylight left. I've never been out here exploring before, so I'm pretty keen and curious to see what kind of tracks are out here, what kind of mischief I can get into. Obviously nothing too crazy because I don't have a winch on my car currently. That is something that I do need down the line. So yeah, I'll have a go at some of the tracks, nothing too crazy. Go for a bit of an explore. I've got a campsite booked at this place called Archer, which I think is about an hour from here. I'll try and time it that I'm not getting to the campsite at dark either because I've also never been there before. And I'm using this map system that I found online. I forget the name of it now, but I'll put a picture up of it so you can see the name and everything. And it's got all these lists of tracks from easy to mild to medium to like the really hard stuff in like green, orange and yellow and whatnot. It's got names for all these tracks and it translates onto Google Maps, so you can kind of open it in your Google Maps and it'll like have the overlay there as well, which is really cool. So I'm using that today. We'll see how effective that is to try and like check out a few tracks around this area, which is super useful because I've never been here before. So it's super handy to have something like that at my disposal, just that someone in the public forum has put together for other four-wheel drive unit users and people who use motorbikes, dirt bikes, stuff like that, to come out here and have a bit of fun and explore around when they don't really know the area too well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm going to use that to my advantage and go check out a few of these tracks. Let's do it. Pretty big hill climb coming up here. There's quite a few rock steps and whatnot. Pretty technical little section, but gonna give it a crack, see how we go. I think the Prado is more than capable, and hopefully we'll get through with no dramas. Oh, I definitely hit the bull bar on that last one. but that is what it's designed to do, so it's done its job. I kind of hit the bull bar and bounced up a bit and realized that angle was just not gonna work, going the full way up. I could just see some trouble happening there, so decided I'd back out. I actually got out of the car and had another bit of a look around, and I took that section off to the right. There was a bit more, I could get one wheel up, get along on an angle, bump the other wheel up without having that immediate, just like crazy steep part. The track looks like it gets a bit more chill from here on out until whenever it gets not so chill again. So we'll keep on trekking. Wow, that one took some maneuvering. It was this divot that was forming here. Every time my wheel got up onto it, it just kept spinning. It was just too slippery. Well, that's where lockers had come in handy, because I assume all the power was just going to that one wheel. But after a few attempts of shifting around, coming at it, you know, more from an angle and around the side. So originally I was just kind of like going straight up that way. I decided to like come off to the side here, try and get real close to that tree and just go around the side there. And then also hitting it with a bit extra speed to just bounce on up. Got us through. So yeah, good fun. Oh, if the camera was on the other side of that, that would have been a cool shot. Woo! Got here a bit later than anticipated, but that's all right. It's a pretty muggy spot. But yeah, it took me a while to get the fire going, but got there eventually. Just about to cook up a feed. So tonight I'm having like a burrito bowl bonanza. So I got this steak I'm gonna chop up. I got some tomatoes, some lettuce, some seasoning, some rice, some cheese. Had a good night's sleep. Gonna be another hot one today. It was like, got to like 36 yesterday, which was pretty full on. Out on the tracks there right in the sunlight. But no, it was good fun exploring, doing a bit of 4-wheel driving out there in a whole new area, somewhere I haven't been before, which is really nice. Just taking it easy this morning. I am having some battery troubles though. I think my DC charger is currently not charging the battery correctly. It keeps like cutting in and out, so I need to replace that. I have bought a new one. I just haven't got around to installing it yet because I didn't realize the situation was as bad as it was. But I woke up this morning and the fridge was at 18 degrees, so I got the snags out and they seemed all right, so I'm cooking them like straight away. Hopefully they will be fine, and there'll be no food poisoning on that one. Nah, I think they should be sweet though. I just don't know, like, because when I went to bed the fridge was at like 2 degrees, so I don't know at what point it's stopped taking power from the battery, like at what point the battery stopped giving it power. But yeah, I'm gonna cook up these snags. Hopefully they'll be sweet, and then yeah, pack up the camp and get on out of here. It's been a good camping overnighter, and I'll definitely be back out to the Glasshouse. It's like, I only scratched the surface there. There's so much more to explore, and I got there late in the afternoon anyway, just the way it worked with uni and everything. But I will definitely be back there to explore some more. And this is the Archer campground that I stayed at. It's pretty nice, like semi-grassy and stuff, nice and flat area. It's about 40 minutes from where I was out full driving yesterday. I guess the only thing I would say is it's really muggy down here, and it's really like still, so and there's a lot of bugs. Now I don't know if that's just like a Queensland thing or like this time of year, but there's a crazy amount of bugs here, so I'm probably going to try and look for somewhere else to camp the next time I come out this way. But no, it was all right. Like, it wasn't too bad. I just found it really muggy down here and really still, and it doesn't look like there would be any wind that could get in here. It's all kind of like closed in at the bottom of this valley, so next time I will try out somewhere else.